Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the Tarantula. I'm painting a Samsung tablet and I have done a sticker over the camera. Colors are black and white as opaque and the rest of the colors are transparent. I'm starting with the black body of the spider. So I'm painting this stencil full black. So the first 3 steps or 4 steps are always the same, and in the last 2 steps you can do your own creativity. So this is now the black body of the spider, and I'm drawing the surface a little bit, and then comes the shadow. So I'm trying to start at the tip of the spider feet, and then I'm fading out a little bit. So there's the darkest part of the shadow, and the rest I'm just painting a little bit. So I'm doing this freehand also. Okay, and now I'm changing to white, and I'm doing like the detail part of the spider. So this is the gray stencil. And now comes the full white. I like position markers in there, so how to, even if it's used to get a perfect fit, like there and there. And I'm painting everything in full white now. And after this, you can like you have the basic information there of the spider, and then you can paint the spider in which color you like. So therefore you have like 2 other stencils. So this is now for the colors. I'm starting with a light brown. This is what I mix myself. It's like 90% yellow and 10% purple. So if you want things darker, you can use the black or the, like I'm doing now, the purple. So I'm painting parts of the legs in purple, and also use some red. And there you have like the color. I'm putting the first stencil on so that I don't paint the background, and I'm painting some of the hairs in like this light brown. And this is now the shadow part of the color of the spider. So every color you put on there, you can like give it a little bit of darkness or shadow. And what you can do afterwards is you can position the full white stencil again and do some highlights. But for me, I'm finished. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And now you can see that I removed the sticker of the camera. And normally you can do the clear coat before you remove the sticker. Okay, thank you for watching.